Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tips. Today we will be discussing how to install an ad blocker for Safari on your iPhone. The first thing you need to do is add an AdBlock extension to Safari. To do this, open the Settings app. Once you're inside Settings, scroll all the way down until you find Safari, and click on it. Here, you'll see all your Safari settings. To install an extension, scroll down slightly until you find the Extensions tab and click into it. You might see a list of extensions that are already installed. These are often shared across your devices like your Mac and iPad. To install a new extension, click on More Extensions. This will take you to the Safari Extensions tab inside the App Store. You can browse all the available extensions here. For this example, we'll search for an extension. Click the search icon in the bottom right corner, and in the search bar, type AdGuard. It should be the top result. Click on it. Scroll down to read more about it. Underneath Supports, you should see Safari Extension, confirming it's the correct type. To install, scroll back to the top and tap the Get button. It will begin downloading to your device. Mine shows a cloud icon because I've installed it before. Once the extension has downloaded, exit the App Store. Now, we need to enable the extension for Safari. Go back to the System Settings, specifically, back to the Extensions page we were at earlier. As you can see, the AdGuard extension has now been added to the list. Enable each of the AdGuard extensions one by one. Click on each AdGuard extension, then tap Allow Extension. You can also allow it in private browsing if you want. Do this for all the AdGuard extensions listed.